All right, well, we're going to lighten it up with a little game time. All right, everybody? We are going to play jackpot or did not. So I'm going to pass down these little paddles. So you guys take one, pass it down for me to all of you. I'm going to explain this game. There are a lot of trials and tribulations that come with being a Bravo Leb and a mother. This is a judgment-free zone here.
Judgment-free.
Judgment-free.
Okay.
But if you can relate to any of these scenarios, I want you to hold up the jackpot. That's if you can relate to the scenario. And if you can't relate to it, hold up did not.
How do you plead the fifth? You put it in the middle? You do like
put it right in the middle. Yeah, yeah. Now we're going to know your answer.
Okay.
All right, first one. Have you ever let your kids stay up past their bedtime because you were filming? Did not. All right, food is not messing around here. All right, we got a couple jackpots. Okay, everyone. Wow. Tough household there.
We're strict on bedtime. Yeah. That's my time, honey.
Yeah. Have you ever let your kids use filming as an excuse to get out of homework or a test? Ashley, why are you halfway through that?
They're 4 and 2.
Mine's 6 months. It's an easy no.
Yeah, that's an easy answer.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. I thought NA.
Yeah, NA.
Okay.
Have you ever used your kids as an excuse so you don't have to film?
Hell yeah.
Is that everybody? That's unanimous. That's unanimous.
Well, I literally gave birth during filming, and they gave me a week off.
Yeah. So you got a little time then. You got a little time to recover.
Yes.
Hey, you got out of a lot of good stuff, Ashley Darby, because you were pregnant and in the bathroom.
I know.
You missed all the epic stuff, being like, "What I miss?" Completely. It was amazing. Have you ever called a castmate by your kid's name?
Hell yeah.
Any one of you? Any one of you? I know not Kate. Ash.
That mom brain is real. Yeah. I go through everybody's name before I get to, I'll be like, Dean, Dylan.
Yeah, everyone's Dean and Dylan. Giselle is Dean and Dylan.
Yeah.
Have you ever called your kid by a castmate's name? Is Sullivan Captain Lee?
Captain Sullivan.
Like, Ashley, what is wrong with you?
I know. I thought all moms did this.
Yeah.
No, they don't. I go through so many names before I get to the name I'm supposed to be at.
So you're like, my little Grand Dame, my little Robin Dixon.
Well, sometimes I'll be texting them, right? And I'll be like, hey, Giselle, you know.
You're like, okay,
I
mean this.
Takes a minute.
I used to call my teacher's mom by accident. You know, when you're in school and you get and she's like, oh, sorry, Mom.
That's so cute.
Yes, ass.
Have you ever forgot to do something for your kid because you were filming? Jackpot. Not for Kate. Food is good. All right, Madison.
I didn't really hear.
All right, I love it. All right, guys, I got one more. Have you ever been late for filming because you were doing something with your kid? I know that's a jackpot for all of you. Do not. Yep. Thank you. Thanks, guys, for playing. That was so fun. All right, guys, we have some audience questions, and my girl, my Persian queen, my reason for being,
you're my number one.
the Shah of the Sunset, MJ, is going to be taking this. MJ, how does it feel to be at BravoCon this year? Are you loving it? Because I miss you.
You know what? I also love that I got to share motherhood with all these beautiful, you guys crush it as moms. And yeah, it's amazing. Ready for some questions?
I love it.
Awesome.
Do it up.
Oh, sorry. Tell me your name.
My name is Michelle. I'm from Denver, Colorado.
Woo!
And my question is for all of you. What is your best piece of advice for juggling it all, not only as moms, but as women?
Great question. How do we juggle it, you guys? It's always a struggle, right?
I think the number one thing is to give yourself grace. Don't put so much pressure on yourself.
That's a good lesson
You really
in life.
can't. No one's perfect.
I'm with that.
You can't pour from an empty cup. So it's very tempting to just keep going and sacrifice yourself, but take time for yourself.
I love, and I agree with the Monday maintenance that Madison was talking about. We need it, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Got to get it together.
Do you let Tommy in the shower with you?
No.
Okay. I just wanted to
his
know.
own bathroom. He can make it what he makes of it, which is something I don't want to be anywhere near.
Yeah, that's fair enough. All right, next question.
Hi, everyone. You look beautiful. My question is for Kate. Kate, the Instagram video you put up the other day with the wine glass jingling, and you're like, oh, this is a baby toy. And as we got closer, it was a wine glass. It was Awesome. Loved it. Made me think that we see motherhood the same. And I wondered, have you had to deal with the mommy shamers?
You know, I didn't realize how many. I thought I was a little naive. I thought having a baby would only be slightly more difficult than having a dog, because I really loved my dog. But turns out it's a lot harder. You know, breastfeeding, not breastfeeding. There's so many opinions about everything. I'm just glad you watched my Instagram story and didn't hate it, because all I do these days is stay home with the baby. So that's the only content I got, guys.
Wait, should we tell if anyone missed this Instagram post? Tell us what the Instagram post was, my love.
MJ, you are so good at this.
Isn't she great?
Okay, I have every toy you could possibly have. The jumper, the tummy time, and he wasn't having any of it. But I was having rosé with ice. He was obsessed with that. I was like, I realized anything can be a toy if it makes noise.
That's true.
Amazing.
I think we have time for one more question, so go for it. Make it count.
Hi, I'm Lindsay from Orange County. I have more of a question, I guess, for Ashley and Madison with both co-parenting. Kind of wondering, Ashley, what's going on? And then Madison with the new boo, how that just like kind of fit in.
Why don't we start with the nice stuff?
Oh, wow. You know, honestly, it was just super organic, and I think that that's what made my decision so clear, that why I wanted to marry my husband, because the relationship that he does have with my son was just, I couldn't have asked for anything better. So I got really, really lucky.
That gives me so much hope, I have to tell you. So my children's father is a fantastic dad. He is a phenomenal dad. But we are now doing something called parallel parenting. I learned this term, and you know,
I learned it from Lala.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
she's
did.
doing it too?
Yeah, she's doing it too.
Yeah. It just works better. It's less, you're less involved with each other.
Yeah, it's all about the kids.
It's all about the kids, because he is a fantastic father.
See, guys, we ended on a positive note here, guys. I want to thank all the moms for being here. Please give it up for Rachel, Whitney, Jackie, MJ. I'm thanking you. You're a mom too, baby. Come on, we got Madison, Kate, and Ashley.